Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good, and in today's video I have come up with this look right here, which is a brown kind of a smoky eye with neutral lips. And this video wasn't planned, but I thought to do a chit chat get ready with me because I am heading out to meet few of my friends. But since I'm running really late, I just filmed the video. This video will be a voiceover and I'll be showing you how I created this look. So if you like what you see, keep on watching. As always, all the product details will be mentioned in the description box down below in case you want to check that out. And now let's just begin with the video. I like to do my eyeshadow part first, and that's why I'm starting with the eyes. And before applying any eyeshadow, I'm priming my lids using a concealer, and with the help of my fingers I'm gently blending it, and then I'll be setting it with the compact powder so that my eye colors pop up really well, and also it will last for a good long time. And then moving on to the eyeshadow palette, I'm using Huda Beauty's palette and using this sandalwood color, which is a light earthy color. I'm applying it all over my crease and I'm blending it really well. These colors blends really well into your skin, and the entire palette is so good. I'm loving the crease color. And now I'll move on to this color, which is an orangish color called henna, and I will apply it right below my crease and will blend it really nicely. I'm trying to use 3 different colors like orange and brown colors so that it gives a nice gradient and diffuse kind of a look. And this is a dark color, and see how beautiful it is looking. And now moving on to the darkest color, which is called Bossy, which is a dark chocolatey brown color. I'm applying it onto my lids and packing this color really nicely onto my lids. To enhance this look even more, I'm using black color from the same palette and I'm applying right at the outer V of my eyelids, and it's giving such a beautiful look. To prime my face, I'm using Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water. It's a hydrating primer and I'm dropping it all over my face like this. With the help of my fingers, now I will gently massage it into my skin, and it will help my makeup to glide on easily, and also it will last for a really long time. And then to hide those bad boys under my eyes, I'm using my MAC concealer and will conceal all the darkness. For the foundation, I'm using Huda Beauty's foundation, and this is for the very first time I'm trying this foundation. This is my latest purchase. I'm in the shade Custard, and I've heard that this is a full coverage foundation and also it dries up really quickly. So I'm applying it on half of my face and later I will applying on the other half of the face. With the help of my beauty blender, I'm blending it all into my skin. Since I've ordered it online, I was not sure about the shade, but I think this is matching me pretty well. It's not too light or it's not dark obviously, but it's not that light either. So now I've taken another half pump and I've blended really nicely. And then for the concealer, I'll be using my Maybelline concealer, which is my favorite. It's in the shade Sable. You all must be knowing by now. And I'll be highlighting the highest points of my face and also my under eyes. To set the under eyes, I'm using Miss Claire translucent powder just for the under eyes, and for the rest of my face I'll be using my MAC's compact powder. Moving on to the brows, I'm using Benifit's Goof Proof Brow Pencil, and I'm brushing my brows first to get rid of any foundation, and then I'm focusing on all the gaps and filling the gaps. I will not do much to the brows, we'll just focus on the gaps, and then I will brush my brows again to distribute the product evenly. Coming back to the eyes, I've skipped on the liner and I'm giving nice 2-3 coats of mascara, and see how my lashes are looking so voluminous. And then I'm just tightlining my upper and waterline using Maybelline's Kajal, and then I will smudge the Kajal using 2 crease colors, the orange and the dark brown one. And then to finish up the look, I'm just giving a nice coat of mascara on the lower lash line. Moving on to the cheeks, I'm using this contour powder from the Maybelline palette. This is my favorite palette. I'm nicely sculpting my face using this, and then I'm using the same blush from this palette and I'm applying it nicely on my cheeks. And I'm not using the highlighter from this palette, but I'm using the Balm Cosmetics highlighter, which is Matte Luminizer, and this is my most favorite highlighter. See how blinding this highlighter is. I just love this highlighter to bits, and I'm applying it on my cheekbones, on the bridge of the nose, chin, also on my cupid's bow, under my eyebrows and over the arch of my eyebrows, and I'm just giving nice 2 coats of it. I always love putting extra highlighter, and see how I'm glowing. Moving on to the last part of this look, I'm using Huda Beauty again, and I'm using this liner which is Trendsetter, and I will line my lips and also fill my lips with this, and then I'll move on to the liquid matte lipstick which is in the shade Bombshell. This is a very nice nude color, and I'm really loving this combination. That's it for this video, guys. If you really like this video, do give this video a big fat thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel and help me grow my virtual family. Also, don't forget to click on the little bell button next to the subscribe button so that you don't miss any of my future updates. So until we meet next, take care, guys. Thanks for watching. Mwah.